Hi everybody, I'm Kim. Welcome to the Regretful Yarn Addict. Today is an ice haul yarn. Ice yarn haul? That sounds better. My words. Oh my word. My words are mixed up. Anyway, it's ice yarn. And it came in a really big bag, and I just did a whole video about it where I opened the bag and blah blah. But oh my God, when I was looking at the video, it was like, talk about your snooze fest. Totally unorganized, just a disaster. Disaster, I tell you. Before we get to the yarn, I did make another purchase that I want to throw in here as well. I got some dot crochet hooks from We Crochet, which is also Knit Picks. It's a set of 9. It gets a 2 millimeter, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, and 6. I'm sure you've seen these before, but I'm going to show you again anyway, because you haven't seen mine. Ta-da! And that's why they're called dots. Some people don't like the fact that there's pink instead of white. I like pink, so I'm just fine with it. I kind of wish it was a darker pink. I have used this one. This is the 6 millimeter. I'm quite happy with it. It works up very fine. And as you know, these are kind of like clovers, Clover Amore. I'm not really a fan of Clover Amore. I prefer my Tulip Atmos, but I'll use them. I just don't think they're hyped up to be. But as you can see, if you have a Clover Amore, this has a little flat part and then it's round on the other side. So if you are a knife holder, it's a nice place to put your thumb, and you can just do. I only hold like I never spoken before. I only hold knife hook when I'm doing amigurumi or when I'm using a very large hook, because you cannot hold a large hook like this. And this is how I usually hold. So for me, it's been very comfortable like this, and I've done it with like this as well. Very comfortable. I do like them. I like that they have a nice long handle. And sorry, I forgot to hit do not disturb. It is embossed, and it wasn't this one I was using. It was actually the 6. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is embossed. And I like my prims, but that end down here, like where this is embossed, if I'm holding it like this, it just rubs like there, and I can't use them for a real long time. But these sticks out, so I'm okay with it. So $24.99 for all 9 of those little buggers. If you like to collect hooks, like I do, go ahead and get yourself some. All right, let's get to the yarn, because this time I'm organized. There's no fancy yarn in this haul. There's just favorite, Savor, and Magic. Because I've never used these before. I might have used Magic, I'm not sure. but I've never had Savor or Favorite. And I wanted some 4-weight yarn. I really, you know what? I made this order because I wanted black yarn. I wanted enough to make that hexagon cardigan that has been requested. So, you know, I'm going to order yarn. Might as well order yarn. So I'm going to tell you right off, including shipping. I got 38 skeins here. They averaged out to $3.39. That's including shipping. So I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. So let's get to it. First one I have this true to color right there. This is, I had it right. This is Camel. It's Favorite. Favorite is well, you guys, I might have to open it up and take a peek. There you go, better color. Well, but 100% acrylic, 100 grams, 210 meters. A number 4, they recommend a 5 millimeter. Well, 5 millimeter knitting needles. It's a pretty nice number 4. I'd go with a 5.5 or a 6. So that one is Camel. These are $4.99 for a 4-pack, and with ice, you have to order them by the pack. And they're $1.24 whatever. So $1.25 each, 4-pack, $4.99. And again, this one, Camel. Camel, not camo. Next one is Pink. It's just called Pink. True to color right there. Again, 4-pack, $4.99. Next one, this is Teal. I'm not sure if you're getting the actual color there or not. So, crinkly, crinkly, crinkly. It looks kind of dusty, but it's teal. I can't get it to look right. It looks kind of gray there. There we go. That's better. That's more like it. Again, $4.99 for a 4-pack. Next one, we're going to skip that one and we're going to go to this one. This is Candy Pink. Candy Pink. Yeah, it's about that color. Right there. Yep. And if you go to ice and you type in those numbers, it'll take you right to that yarn. Okay, next one I'm going to show is this one, which is beige, light beige. This is light beige. And that is true. True color. Okay. Because, you know, sometimes the camera will make it look weird. And then this next one is the last favorite I have. And it is dark green. This is dark green. And that color showing is the color it is. Then these are Savor, and it's called Anthracite Black. I'm looking over at my invoice on my laptop. Bag ripped on this one, so I'm just comes in a 2-pack for $6.99. This is, as I said, it is Savor, 100% Drylon acrylic, 200 grams, 330 meters. And it's black. I got 3 of those. And then this one is Magic. Magic Anti-Pilling, 100% premium acrylic. This one looks more like a 3. Very light 4. 100 grams, 250 meters. This is called Orange, Yellow, Pink, Teal, Turquoise, Purple. I know. How imaginative. But there's like 3 different rainbow colors, so they have, you know, whatever one's in it. But this comes in a 4-pack, $7.99, 1.9975, figured $2. And you have to buy them in a 4-pack because all ice yarn is done in packs. So like I said, I got 38 skeins, including shipping. It came to $3.39 per skein, which is not a bad price. It's not a bad price at all, you guys. So when you're figuring out if you're going to do an ice yarn order, and you're like, oh my God, the shipping. No way am I paying that much. Well, remember, it's coming from Turkey. Things are not cheap to ship. And so what you do is, you know, put your order in, look at that total, divide it up by the number of skeins of yarn you're actually getting, and see if you can live with that price. I can live with it. And I've got my black yarn, which it's definitely going to be that might be a 6.5 millimeter that gets used with that. Ooh, that's kind of thick. So that's it for this haul. Like I said, there was nothing fancy in it, although this is really pretty. Kind of has the colors of my shirt in it. The only yarn from ice that I've ever tried that I did not like was Twister DK. It sticks to your fingers really bad. I had to put a whole bunch of lotion on my hands. Not even lotion. It was this. Not that I'm promoting anything, but that's a cream. And I had to like really do my hands up because it was finding little snakes You know, sometimes you don't even realize you got those like little snaggies on your skin until you like touch something and it's like, ooh, all of a sudden it catches. So yeah, that's what that yarn does, and it was not fun to work with. I have a video a few back where I made a chevron blanket using it. Took me a long time to get that done because I just did not like using that yarn. Oh, it's very pretty. It's very pretty when it's done. It was very nice. So that's the only kind I've used that I don't like. I do like, what is it, Rockstar and Picasso. Those are nice, pretty yarns. But I think they have wool in them. They're like Metallico from Hobby or Hobie. Do you know how it's really supposed to be pronounced? I mean, how the company pronounces it? Let me know in the comments because I think it's Hobie. Hobbii. I think that's Hobie. Now that it's, going to make a huge difference in anybody's life if you pronounce it wrong, but I just want to know. Curious minds want to know. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned a little something. After I use this yarn, I will be sure to let you know what I think of it. So yeah, that's it. So y'all have a good day, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good whatever, whenever, wherever you are. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing. And let's get those subscriber count up because I've got my giveaway ready. It's ready, you guys. I'm just waiting to hit that 1K. Yes. Anyway, later, Gators. Peace out.